Ever wondered how our training works from day one hanggang sa client ready ka na as a virtual assistant? Well, let me break it down for you, step by step without any step skip. First, after filling out the enrollment form, your payment will be confirmed and you will get a welcome email explaining the whole process. And that would actually give you an overview of ano nga ba yung pagdadaanan mo sa kada training natin. Next is onboarding. You will receive our house rules and agreements plus short and long form onboarding email that would include the classroom link, chat space, and calendar setup. And we will also send reminders to keep you on track. Then comes your live training day. So if you miss it, no problem because you can either reschedule it or get a copy of the recording nung actual class na mismo. So after the class, some tracks will actually include internship. Makikita nyo naman yung mga classes namin na may internship. And we will also do some check-ins after 7 days and after 14 days just to see how you are progressing. And if you're not ready, don't worry. We can actually pause and wait until you are. Once you've completed the program, you will move on to certification and coaching. Now, keep in mind that our coaching isn't just a one-time thing. It is a progressive coaching until maramdaman namin that you are client matching ready na. This is where we help connect you with opportunities if we haven't sa mga agencies na kapartner namin. So from onboarding to client-ready virtual assistant, we will guide you every step of the way. Are you ready to start your freelancing journey? If yes, then just go to blogymarygroup.com. All of the details are there and please take note. Basahin nyo yung aming commitment sa inyo sa baba ng page. I am looking forward to see you sa ating classroom and comment any questions you guys have about working from home. Follow for more work from home chismis. Bye!